Hey guys, and welcome back to the Three Crazy Sisters. So today it's just me and Noor because me and Noor are sharing a room.
Yeah, and we got our own room now.
And as you can tell, we painted our walls to be gray, and they used to be hot pink. So that's a big
And we
change.
changed our fan as well. It used to be like a pink with flowers.
So today we're going to be doing
our room was just
tour.
too much for us, so we got a new one.
So first, we are going to start over here. We are just putting our important papers from school over there. And then moving on to over here, we have all these stuffed toys.
And dogs, cats, and a monkey because our parents won't let us have a dog, cat, or a monkey because they said that it's too much for us to handle, so they just bought us these stuffed toys.
And stay tuned because we're going to show another video about some new stuff we're putting in here. And we recycled a lot of stuff, and my mom made this thing. And these we recycled, and we helped our mom paint all of them, and then we put it on the shelves.
And over here we have such a cute big bear. And on the top there is this little paint thing, and there's right there a silver thing that to me it looks like a unicorn horn,
but it's actually a huge candle. And that gray and yellow thing used to be Elsa. It used to be an Elsa and Anna thing, so that's a big change.
We also got, this is my favorite part, we got a new vanity.
So over here we just
sit on it
and do our
and we have our brushes and stuff inside.
Yeah, this is Noor's side. She keeps all her stuff in there, and then that is mine. And then we have this cool flower thing our mom bought for us
because we love flowers. It's yellow, so that's just our one thing.
And this is my bed. So we got new bed sheets, which I love because our theme is yellow, white, and gray. And over here is like yellow zigzag and white.
Yeah,
which I think is cool.
This is also my bed. And there is this London and New York bed sheet and this back pillow. And
here,
if you guys realize, this is our bunk beds, but we took the top bunk off. And she got the top bunk, I got the bottom part.
Over here, on top of my bed, my mom painted our letters. They used to be pink, and we put yusra up there. And then there's this thing, every week our mom changes the thing depending on how we do that week. And this week I got ambiable.
And I got proactive. That's my name.
And
we also got these cushions that our mom made.
Yeah. And then our mom made these beautiful curtains. I love this curtain.
Not all of them, only the yellow one.
Yeah, but I love
this yellow curtain.
And we also got these new mirrors just to...
They're not. No, they used to be like pink and... This one used to be pink, that one used to be purple and blue. This one used to be a bunch of different colors. And now they're just... Our room just changed so much. And it's like more my age now to me.
So that is the end of our room tour. I hope you guys enjoy. See you guys next time.
Make sure to click the like button and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on a video. Bye!